So after spending some time with the new MIG 90 here, I am really coming around to this thing. Now sure, it's not the most powerful welder that we've ever offered, but for the price you pay and what type of machine you get and the warranty that comes with it, I think this might be becoming my favorite of the Eastwood welder lineup. Here's why. The number one reason why I love this thing is the fact that this welder could switch between true MIG welds and Flux Core. Most machines at this price point are strictly Flux Core, but this machine allows you to do both. Flux Core if you're on the move and you don't want to bring a gas bottle, or if you're at home, you can get the small 40 CF bottle, scuba tank bottle, and get those high quality true MIG welds for sheet metal, which are really what you want. MIG welds are cleaner, a little bit less spatter, and they're cooler too, so very little warping, which is what you want for automotive work. The second reason why I love this thing is gonna be the price. For just a few $100, you can get into true MIG welding on the cheap. You don't have to pay an arm and a leg to start doing this. Also, this machine comes with everything you need for true MIG welding. For just a couple $100, we're able to include a regulator, a 5-foot long gas hose, and a 2-pound spool of our 023 wire to get you started. That's a $70 value that just comes effectively for free with the MIG 90. Pretty awesome deal. Can't beat that. The third major reason why I love this thing is the warranty. 3 years. That is unheard of at this price point. 3 years of worry-free MIG welding when you go with the MIG 90. So not only were we able to design a machine that does both MIG and Flux Core with all the extras you need at a good price to start with, we also stand behind the quality of this machine. And the fourth reason I love this thing is the fact that this is great for a welder at any experience level. If you're the professional, this is a great addition to your arsenal just to have something small. And if you're the brand new welder, this comes with everything you need. All of the extras except for some gas. It plugs right into a 120 volt wall outlet, doesn't take up too much room in the garage, and it comes in right between $250, $300, which leaves plenty of room in the budget for helmet, gear, and a gas bottle. And you're still not breaking the bank to try out MIG welding for a couple of projects just to see if it's for you. If you're a veteran welder, it's still worthwhile. It's a tiny machine, yeah, but it's a good machine and it only weighs 14.5 pounds. So it's great to bring with you over to a buddy's house or over to the racetrack, hook it up with some Flux Core wire, plug it right into a wall outlet wherever you're headed, and you're welding. Which I think is a lot easier to carry this thing around than it is to carry around a full-size unit, especially with this grab handle at the top. Feels like a lunchbox rather than a welder, which is nice when you're traveling. Also, this machine gives you infinitely variable potentiometers, so you could dial this machine exactly how you need it. We know the pros have a feel for settings, and the settings are the most important. If you feel you need a little bit more power, a little bit less power, a little bit more, a little bit less wire speed, you could do that no problem with the MIG 90. Those other machines out there, they give you 5 or 6 static settings and they don't allow you to fine tune and make those really fine adjustments that you need sometimes. So that's gonna be another big benefit of the MIG 90. If you're an experienced welder, you know settings make all the difference and this allows you to get exactly what you need. Press the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're giving away a MIG 180 welder at 500,000 subscribers. Also, you make sure you check out our channel as well. We have tons of great how-to videos over there you're definitely gonna wanna see. We'll have the MIG 90 link below in the description. And as always, thanks for watching. I'm JD. Make sure you keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.